My background's in architecture, and when everything slowed down in Ireland in 2007, I decided I wanted to do something else. As an architect, I did a lot of sketching and drawing and spent the time having to sketch on paper, scan it, transfer it onto the computer, and then adjust the levels. And there was a lot of kind of post-processing. The styluses available were kind of like dumb sticks. And as time went on and styluses became more sophisticated, they still didn't quite do what I wanted them to do. Scriba started initially with a little sketch. It was an idea of a new type of stylus that you could hold in your hand, which was designed around the user. I looked around and there really wasn't that many hardware startups in Dublin, and I discovered the whole maker community. Suddenly I met people who were tinkering with electronics and plastics and had similar interests to me. And these are the guys who were able to work with me to try and develop the technology that would make this work. I had a copy of Fusion 360 from way back when it was in beta, and I really loved the software. And when I transitioned from being an architect to a designer, I needed the right tool. When you make something handheld like Scriba, it takes a lot of prototypes. Something that you hold in your hand has to feel right. And we went through nearly 200 prototypes using Fusion 360 to create something that felt just right. Using the cloud-based rendering tools, it's really easy to test and evaluate design decisions. They allow a team that's located in a number of remote locations to work very closely together. We maintain the master model in Fusion 360 and coordinate a number of different inputs from manufacturers, engineers and designers. Scriba is a totally different type of stylus. We looked at the hand, how we grip, how we hold, how we touch, and this informed a design decision. Squeeze motion allows the user to control functions like line weight using a simple squeeze. The harder you squeeze, the thicker the line. We're now working with our locally based manufacturer Cartamundi to bring Scriba to the market. The aim for Scriba is to create a tool that energizes artists and designers and becomes part of their regular workflow. We're very excited to be launching the product, and we can't wait to see what people create with Scriba.